to a new recap session for EURUSD. After a long time, I'm back again to the chart, and we will start from today with the routine of posting the recap videos. So, coming to the session, from daily perspective, we have been still in this internal range, and yeah, funny is that we are still in this range, but let's see, maybe during the Asia we can break through this low, and we can expect to trade aligned with internal and swing structure, so to finally break this daily week low. So let's go to forward chart, and yeah, forward chart, we have been around this area before the session. So for me it was not very clear, as before the session we have had still this demand, which is not the best significant demand. As we can see, we had some kind of mitigation. So but before the session you don't know what will happen, and here was also not a valid area for me to trade, so I decided to trade less setups but high probability setups. So at the end of the month my goal is to reach 5 to 10% monthly to build a consistent statistic for my trading, as I trade currently my personal account, and for me funding is a lot like a game, so it's still a good opportunity, but I want to be more serious about my trading, so that's why I choose to be to trade on personal account, and the other accounts is just connected to my personal account. So yeah, okay, yeah, how I said it, yeah, we have had this fractal supply which I was not very able before the session, and I think today my analysis was very fast, and I was not very focused on every aspect of the chart, so I was not very able, was not, I didn't know about this, so I didn't mark this supply. So yeah, but still it's not valid. So because we come from this demand, so we could expect that we push higher, so to mitigate something here to come to that price is more well placed than now. Okay, let's go to 15-minute chart, and yeah, let me do the chart replay. So this I don't use it actually, but I wanted to test something. Let's go to Frankfurt Open. So before Frankfurt Open, for me the swing was bearish, internal also bearish. So if we trade sell is pro swing, pro internal, but after we broke the structure, so after broken structure we can expect a pullback to come in a value of price, then we can expect the pro run pullback, pro run swing run. Okay. Okay, and yeah, coming to the session, I have had this supply. As I said, this forever fractal supply was not on my chart, and that's why for me this supply was not so significant. But as we know, as you can see, there's also this liquidity, this trendline liquidity, which we can target, and bad point is that we come from forward, but we could at least expect that we mitigate more, and then we can expect a pullback. But after coming to the session, so price has, we have had the choke, so it was also a sign that maybe we are going to change. So we have had the choke, so for me I have waited for the liquidation. So here was my liquidation, especially if you trade Frankfurt. So Frankfurt give you the sign of the move. So not of most of the not all of the time, but most of the time. So we can expect that Frankfurt give us the run which we want to play, but the London needs more liquidity to fill the orders, so we can expect a liquidation here so that all orders get filled with less slippage. And here we have this massive which can sign for everyone, so like we are bullish, but at the end of the day we have had this liquidation. And if we go to our 5-minute chart, yeah, we have had this chart before, so in 5 minutes, so time is fractal, so what happens in 5 minutes will show themselves also in 15. So then easily we could enter here with that. You see the massive proof after the orders get filled. So, and easy 3-hour trade for us. So the point was, this is not a setup which is high probability, but at the time where price was here, I was I thought this is still bullish, so like here, so we can push higher or something, which show me that I need to be more focused on the chart and on the current price action than expectation that this happened or others happened. So because I remember that I had this, I marked my chart, I marked my liquidation, and after this happened, I was still thinking that we can push higher. So this was the point I learned today. So just be focused, but I would not take these trades now because I need better setups, better return to build my capital to trade with, and then if I have enough capital, then I can play these aggressive trades with like props which you can trade aggressively, but because they don't cost you much, like 10k, or later when you have enough money you can also buy 25k accounts and just trade aggressive, and have other accounts to like 100k or something to build a consistent results. So and yeah, okay, let's come back to the chart, and after this we can see that price has pushed just low, and yeah, we didn't have any mitigation during New York, so price just has moved on, and I think we are around here. Yes. Okay. Yeah. It was trending, but obviously if the price is very fast, so it's not so much mitigation. So the down point for me was like at the end of the day, this is, you say to yourself that it could be a good trade because it was a winning trade, but at the time where price was here, I was not confident, and I hope I will stay like this, because if you don't take this trade. Okay, I didn't take this trade, but I should also not trade something like this in future, because the next one can turn to a loss. When you are aggressive, you should be aggressive. Okay, I was not aggressive here, and I should also not be aggressive in future, because I switched my trade style to be more conservative and trade just few setups, less stress, and yeah, I think it's better for our psychology too. So yeah, that was my point, that if I didn't take this trade, I should also be aware that in the future I should also not take setups like this, because today, if you want to trade aggressive, you should be always aggressive, because today you have a win, you can have like 2 losses again, but again a win, because you are aggressive. Okay, more losses, but you have also more wins. So it comes at the end of the day, you will be profitable if you also play aggressive, but you should be able that manage to enter, like here you have a win, but later you can also have like 5 losses, but you will have 6 wins in a row, but you should be able to trade them, because it's like our results are not written down when our wins counts or when our losses, so we should be always focused on our process. So if you want to be aggressive, then you should be aggressive every day. Should be aggressive, so for good setups, so medium probability setups to take. But if you're conservative, then you should be conservative. This is my point. So stick to one trade this time, And yeah, I hope you could take some value from this video. Let me know if you like this video, and catch you tomorrow. Have a nice day.